Hey there, fellow homesteaders. Want to keep your chicken coop clean, fresh, and odor-free without spending hours scrubbing? Today, I'm sharing quick and easy chicken coop cleaning hacks that every beginner needs to know. Stick around to learn my #1 secret for keeping your coop smelling fresh. Let's get started. First, how often should you clean your chicken coop? It depends on your setup, but here's a simple guide. Keeping up with small tasks makes the big cleaning days much easier. Here's what you need for a quick and easy chicken coop cleanup. Instead of changing bedding every week, use the deep litter method. Just add a fresh layer of wood shavings or straw every few days. This absorbs moisture and naturally composts over time. Mix diatomaceous earth with dried herbs like mint and lavender. Sprinkle it in the nesting boxes and bedding for a natural pest repellent and odor eliminator. A dirty coop starts with dirty chickens. Set up a simple dust bath with wood ash, sand, and diatomaceous earth to keep mites and dirt off your flock, so they track in less mess. Skip the harsh chemicals. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water for an all-natural coop disinfectant. Spray roosts and nesting boxes to prevent bacteria buildup. Place a scrap piece of plywood under the roosting bars to catch droppings overnight. Just scrape it off every morning for an instant coop refresh. A well-ventilated, dry coop equals a happy and healthy flock. And there you have it. 5 easy hacks to keep your chicken coop clean and fresh without the hassle. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more homesteading tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest chicken coop cleaning struggle?